be reviewing about uh, a screenshot. We'll be reviewing about screenshot and an file annotation tool called as Markup Hero, which is currently available on AppSumo for a lifetime deal for about $39. Okay, so you can grab that deal. Only 8 days are remaining. We'll start with it. See, so when you buy it and you first sign up for it and you open the tool markuphero.com, then you will get to see this screen. So first thing that we need to do is we need to click on this download button. We need to click on this download button, and as you click on this download button, there's a Chrome extension out here. Click on this Chrome extension and install it. Install the Chrome extension. Okay, so as you install the Chrome extension, now you can take the screenshot using your Chrome extension. Okay, so say if you want to take the screenshot of this deal of this page from AppSumo, you just click on this screenshot icon, and then you click on take screenshot. You select the tab and click on the share. The screenshot will be taken, and then you will be directly directly to the Markup Hero, where you will see the screenshot and you can annotate it. You see, you can annotate it using these tools here. You can just annotate it, anything you can annotate, and it directly gets saved. If you want to see this markup, you just go straight away to this markup, and if you go down here, you can see this recent image here. Okay, or you click on this image and you can see this screenshot here. Here you can see your latest screenshot. Okay, so there are three ways you doing it. First is the screenshot that you have screened right now. The second way is you can upload an image. If you click on this tab here, you can upload an image or a PDF. Say we will upload any image. Say we'll upload this image. No, this is a PDF. Say we'll upload a screenshot. Say this Google Map will upload. We'll upload the screenshot. It will take some time. Oh, see, now the screenshot has been uploaded, and now we can start annotating it. Okay, and so this was the second way of doing it. See, uploaded image, we have uploaded the image here, and you can see this image here in the markups down below. Okay, and the third thing is doing is by pasting a link. Say if you have any blog post or an article, you can paste the link here. We'll copy this link from here or from the AppSumo link, and we'll paste it, and we'll just place on click here. So it will take some time to upload the image, html upload the url. It will be uploaded in the form of a PDF, and in this, once this PDF is, it has grabbed the PDF, and then we can start annotating it. Okay, and if you go to markups, then you can see it in the PDF. If you and you go into PDF, then you can see the latest PDF, oh, sorry, URL. You can see the latest URL out here that now we have done recently. Okay, so we are so we have three so we have seen three ways of taking the screenshot. First is by using the Chrome extension, second is uploading the image and annotating it, third is by pasting a URL link. Okay, so we'll see some other we'll see the tools that you can use for the annotation. Just we'll use any see, there's this pen tool, and then there is the highlighter tool. You can change the size it here, and you can crop it here. See, we'll try and crop it. You can crop it anyhow, any direction you want. Okay, apply crop, then it, see, now the image has been cropped. Then also you can do is write a text. You can write a text, and then also you can insert an image into the image. Say we'll insert this image. Okay, it will take some time, then the image will be inserted in it. See, the image has been inserted. Okay, so it's a great tool to have in your arsenal. With this, you can save all the markups at one place. You can save all the markups and one can, and later on you can edit it. There is no limit on the uploading memory space. You can upload unlimited images, unlimited PDFs, unlimited screenshots. Okay, and and you can re-edit it, you can duplicate it. Okay, also also there are few cons on it. The toolbar that you see at the top here, the toolbar that you see at the top here is is a fixed toolbar. It cannot be moved, it cannot be hidden. uh, it would have been great if the toolbar could have been moved to the side of the window here, or if it could be hidden. Okay, that would be a great functionality. And the other thing is, these elements you see here that cannot be fixed. There should have been an ability to fix this element somehow. So this keep on moving here. So if for giving a presentation, it is very important that these elements to be fixed, they should not move. Okay, and if you see a Google slide and you go to a if you see a Google slide and you click on the presenter view, see there's an pointer tool for the presentation. If you could get such a tool in the Markup Hero, we can directly give presentation through Markup Hero, and it will be a great functionality. So this was the review. Thank you guys. So this was the review of the Markup Hero. Please leave your comments in the comment section below.